Welcome to a brand new show of Market Makers. Well, election volatility, is that behind us? Is it back to basics now? Is it time now to really get back into hardcore long-term value investing? If yes, in this kind of a market, where are the values? How next 5 years would be different from last 5 years? Is CAPEX the new CAPEX, which has been the evergreen, which has been the leadership theme? Will that continue? Or given that the complexities of the market are changing, a new leadership is likely to emerge. Let's take that point forward with Milind Karmarka to talk about markets, value investing, and where is Trent headed. Lots to discuss. Lots to discuss. We've seen all shades of markets last week.
Yes, absolutely.
Euphoric high on Monday, panic low on Tuesday.
Correct.
Bout of short covering on Wednesday and Thursday, and a great follow-up on Friday. Yeah. Where are markets headed?
So actually, again, as always, I go back in history. So, in fact, 2002 to 2008, that period was one of the best periods to be in the markets because you saw the best, you saw the worst, you saw what happens after a coalition comes in power, you see what happens when a liberal party like Congress is supported by communists, the market goes down 20%, and after that, the market goes up 5 times. So, you have seen that happen. I think we are seeing a repeat of that. I'm not saying that the market will go up 5 times, but I'm seeing a repeat of that. So we are seeing, as you said, huge volatility, not the kind which we saw earlier, but still a huge volatility. And now we have a government which is a coalition government, all said and done. Though BJP has a significant number of seats, but it's a coalition government, and there will be coalition politics will come into play. So my belief is that whenever a coalition is in the at the center, then you see a decent growth. The clear focus is economics. The clear focus is to do better for the masses, and that is what drives the markets. That is what drives the economy as well.
And if one looks at the history of last 20 years, I'm taking a leaf from your answer, markets have done rather well during the coalition period.
Absolutely.
Also. So this entire mindset which everyone has that the new government and new Abki Bar coalition Sarkar is not good for the market, that should be dismissed.
Very true. Absolutely. That should be dismissed completely.
So let's understand the market contours. The leadership in the market is very well defined. CAPEX, policy, railways, defense. Will that leadership continue?
So my view is that frankly, now the market is far better discovered than what it was in 2003-04. There are so many analysts, there are so many funds, and everyone is researching companies. So according to me, market is fairly discovered market. There may not be a single theme which will drive the market. The only mega trend which I see, and I have been talking about it earlier also, is consumption and rising per capita income. So whichever industries benefit out of that will continue to do well. Within that, of course, there is a shorter, smaller trends which are also there, like you said, whether it's railways, whether it's power. But again, there is a slight difference here. What will happen probably is that the PE expansion will not happen going forward. You will get the returns which earnings will give you. The P's may remain where they are.
You don't expect them to come down?
I don't see it immediately.
Okay.
5 years down the line, I don't know. But immediately, at least, it's unlikely that the P's will contract, especially in themes like railways, power, and these, because there is a growth path, defined growth path there for next 4-5 years.
Okay. Last week, we saw that there was a complete change of gear, reverse gear in terms of the stock outperformance, and fifth gear in terms of, outperformance.
Yeah.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.